Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix new fonts not showing or working on your Instagram app. So for example, if you create story and you want to type something, there is a new feature like new font that you can try, like modern, classic. Let's try type font here. This is the modern, classic, signature, editor, poster, bubble, deco, squeeze, typewriter, strong, mimi, elegant, directional, and the last is literature. So here, all the font here, maybe in the future will update, Instagram will add the new one. And if you don't have this feature or this new font feature not show up in your Instagram app, you can close your Instagram first. You can close all the app and try to hold your Instagram and tap app info. Next, you can go to the storage usage and try to clear cache. And you can consider to clear the data, but you need to relog in. Sometimes when you try to relog in, the sum of the feature that buggy will fix by itself. With notes, you have to update your app. So you can close. Now you can go to the Play Store or App Store and search for the Instagram. Here we go. This is the Instagram. Tap it and tap update. So here, if you update this app will like fix some bugs, like minor bugs, minor issues, and add some new features. So maybe you still install old version of Instagram, because in the new version, after the update, there are some new feature that you can try to give you more experience by using this Instagram. So the version is 358.0.0.51.97 update on 18 November, but I'm still download the newest one here per today. So after that, you can reopen your Instagram and try this new feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.